welcome to the Muse Kitchen. This week in your seed to table produce box, you'll be getting some rainbow carrots and some sugar snap peas. So we're going to make a salad. We're going to grill the carrots, use the carrot tops and make pesto and mix it with some quinoa. So let's get started. We're going to take the carrot, cut the top off. We're going to cut it lengthwise, right down the middle, and then cut it in half. I've already prepared some, which are right here in my bowl. Lovely rainbow colors. I'm going to take the peas. You're just going to take the top off like that, and then pull down that string and get that off of the pea. So we're going to take our peas and throw those into the bowl. I'm going to slice some garlic up and just make some long slices like that. Put that into the bowl. I have a spice mixture here that is ground fennel, paprika, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. I'm going to put a teaspoon of that mixture in here, along with some olive oil. Just enough oil to coat the vegetables. And then we're going to give that a stir. And we're going to walk over to our grill. I have an indoor grill. It's nice and hot and ready to go. The trick with any grill, make sure it is hot before you start grilling. I'm going to place these vegetables right down on the grill, like this. And just spread them out so every piece of vegetable gets some grill marks on it. So the vegetables have just finished grilling. I grilled these for about 10 minutes. The carrots are soft and a little al dente, and that's just where we want them to be. For the carrot top pesto, we're going to take the carrot tops. I've pulled off the long stalks because they're tough. You don't need those. We're going to put this into the food processor, and half cup of basil leaves are going in there. 2 cloves of garlic, about 3 tablespoons of almonds, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're just going to blend this until as the pesto is blending, I'm just going to put in a pinch of salt. The pesto is now finished. I'm going to take it and mix it with some red quinoa that I made earlier. So a nice big spoonful, and mix it in. And I'm going to put another spoon in there. Ready to assemble the salad. I have a nice platter. I'm going to put the arugula out on the platter like this. Oops. Spread it out like that. I'm going to top it with our carrot top pesto quinoa. Then the grilled vegetables, carrots. We're just going to spread these out along the top here. And the peas. Just like that. Oops. Sprinkle it with some chopped almonds. and drizzle it with a little lemon juice.